Hey guys, welcome to another tech video of Guruji Official. In this particular video we will solve a problem related to camera. Here is in my PC, my camera is not working. You can see right now here I am searching for camera but it is not working, so I am going to search for another option. So you can see on the screen my camera. I am facing this problem from last 1 month also, but here is a solution for you. You definitely will be able to solve this problem after completely watching this video. So refresh, first refresh, then what we will do, you can see search for camera privacy setting and click open, and then first off and then on, allow apps, and then desktop app viewer on, and Microsoft Store on, OneNote for Windows on, Windows barcode preview also, and then we will check what is happened. Right now it is not working. Close. Search for program and features, and here search for device and printers and device manager. Device and printers, here in control panel, click on control panel here, and search for device, hardware and sound, and device manager. Here you can see device manager. Click on device manager and then maximize it, and here you can see cameras option is available. Click on the cameras, click on it, click on cameras, and then click on uninstall device. Can install, then again refresh, and then we will see what is happening. Here you can see we can't find your camera. Then click on, again clicking on action. Here is on, click on action, and action, and scan for driver changes. Then you will see camera option will again show here, and click on cameras also, and then easy camera, and then update driver, and search automatically for drivers. You can see here is a driver available, and also search for updated drivers on Windows update. So here problem will definitely solve, but you also allowed to update Windows, so that any kind of driver changes is available on the internet, and online changes is available. Then you can also update that changes also. So here is some kind of update is available, and I am updating it also. So then you will see your problem will definitely solve. You can see here I am now, again I am opening my camera, and you can see it is working. Now it is working, you can see.